My name is Shruthi. I'm a fresher. Recently, I have completed my Python full stack development course from Apponix Academy, which is about 4 to 4.5 months. So I have came to know about this academy from a Google search. So after knowing about this academy, I came here and researched about this academy. It was about high rating. So initially I don't have any knowledge about the coding or programming languages. By gradually, with the help of the trainers, staffs, everyone, finally I came to know about the programming languages. During our classes, we have done many projects which helps to gain a knowledge about the programming languages, and also this will add up to our resumes. And all the friends, I'll recommend this Apponix Academy for the course for your successful career. Thank you.